How to redeem Discord YouTube Premium code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Westnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem the YouTube Premium code that you got from Discord. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. If you just got a premium code, the YouTube Premium code from the Discord, and now you don't know how you can apply it, then here is a quick trick. All you have to do is you want to simply head into your browser on your device, and at the search bar you want to type in youtube.com/redeem. Now make sure to spell it correctly, youtube.com/redeem. so youtube.com/redeem, as you can see here, and then simply select go. Now here first you want to make sure that you are logged into the correct account that you wish to redeem your code on. At the top right corner you can see the profile icon. You can tap on it, you can tap on the arrow icon, and you can switch in the account or add another account that you wish to redeem your code on, and then enter in your code here, tap on next, enter in the code pin and such, and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem the Discord YouTube Premium code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.